Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and welcome to another video. And this one is a multi-test of snacks. Various snacks that I've got from Morrisons. So, we have got Morrisons the Best, flame toasted Harissa and red pepper flavoured tortillas made with sweet potato and jalapeno. Quite a long product description there. There they are. I'm going to keep looking down here because I've written a list of all the prices down here. £1.30, but I got them free because Morrisons decided to give me a voucher for a free pack of them via their More app. So I thought, yeah, why not? I recently tried the lemon, sea salt and black pepper tortilla chips, didn't I? Anyway, we'll go into that in a minute. We've also got the new Frank's Red Hot Fridge Raiders, which were £1.35. And Tony's Chocolonely chocolate. I've never tried any Tony's Chocolonely chocolate. This one is milk caramel sea salt. And this was on a clearance offer at £1.50. I can't tell you what the original price was, but the reason I've never reviewed any of this brand is because they're normally so expensive. But yeah, that was £1.50, so I thought, why not? And last but not least, Morrisons cookies, white chocolate chip, which were £1.20. They also had milk chocolate chip ones. I thought, no, let's go with the white ones. It seemed like a good price to me, so yeah, give them a go. Right, so we'll start with the savoury stuff, because that's the best way to do it, isn't it? This could be quite a long video, by the way. You realise that, don't you? Now, when I tried the lemon, sea salt and black pepper tortilla chips, on the front, it had a picture of a little bowl of what looked like salsa. And I said at the time, I must get some salsa to try with them. Well, in the end, I didn't. I just ate them. This time, it shows what looks like a garlic dip, doesn't it? So, I've got a garlic dip. I've got Allioli garlic dip. If you haven't tried this, you must. I used to buy this from Home Bargains. I bought it, quite a lot, several times, more than several times. Then Home Bargains stopped doing it, but now Morrisons do it, and it's £1.75 in there. So, here we go then, the tortilla chips. Doesn't tell you any more on the back than it tells you on the front, really. Now, Harissa isn't a flavour that I'm really familiar with, but it does say they're a medium 2 chilli rating. They're gluten-free, they're vegetarian. Let's give them a go. They smell interesting. Here we go. Interesting shape as well. Oh, the first thing that hits you is they're extremely tangy, and you can really taste the jalapeno. They've got a slight chilli heat, but only slight, to be perfectly honest. they're very good. I'm not sure if I can tell that they're made with sweet potato, to be honest. But, say on the back, maize snacks with sweet potato. It doesn't give you a percentage of the potato, but yeah, it's the taste of the jalapeno. Really good. They are very good, and I recommend them already. Even without this, even without this piece of plastic, even without the garlic dip. Throw that in the bin. Right. What are they like with the good old garlic dip then? Wow, that's all I can say to that, is wow. You end up with a wonderful garlic and jalapeno flavour with a slight hint of chilli, slight kick of chilli, and yeah, and it's wonderful. In fact, I'll have one more of them, then I'll move on to the fridge raiders. And these are a really good shape for dipping, and they're quite substantial as well. They don't break when you dip them. I know I got them free, but I totally recommend them. And while you're in Morrisons buying them, buy one of them as well. Do yourself a favour. Okay, let's try and cleanse my palate. And try these Frank's Red Hot Fridge Raiders. Frank's Red Hot is getting everywhere at the moment, isn't it? There's so many products with it in. It's even in some McDonald's products. I do like Fridge Raiders. They're a bit spicier than the tortilla chips, but not a huge amount. Typical Fridge Raiders texture with a bit of a chili kick, but I don't know. Is my spice tolerance just going up so much that I can't really pick up on the chili level of these things anymore? I don't know. But I mean, they're good. At £1.35, and what have I had? I've had two, haven't I? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you get 9 of these for £1.35. These little tiny things. Is that good value? This is yet another product that says high in protein. Okay. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? What will it be like dipped in that? I mean, this stuff is so good. You could dip anything in it and it would be good. Oh no, I won't be dipping the chocolate and the cookies in it. But to be perfectly frank, that doesn't really add anything to these. These are actually better on their own. Or maybe they'd be better with a bit of Frank's Red Hot sauce to increase the heat level even more. Yeah, I wouldn't have them again. Unless I see them at a really silly price, then I would, but they're not really a recommendation. Okay. Right. We do the chocolate last, I think. We'll try these cookies next. As I said, it seemed a really good price. £1.20. 180 gram pack. White chocolate chunk cookies. White chocolate chunks, 27%. Let's see how many are in there. Oh, they're smelling good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Oh, they really do smell good. Okay. And that's what one of them looks like. Yeah, they're good. They are quite soft, which, you know, you expect from a proper cookie. But quite often when you buy cookies in a pack like this, they're more like biscuits, aren't they? Soft and crumbly, with a good amount of chocolate, and an excellent taste of white chocolate as well. Well, the taste of the cookie and the white chocolate combined. Yeah. I don't know if those are new. I've never seen them before. They were tucked away right on the bottom shelf. If you're in Morrisons, or in any supermarket for that matter, always have a look at the bottom shelf. Mainly this applies to the big supermarkets. You know, your Morrisons, Asda, Sainsbury's, Tesco. You look at the bottom shelf and quite often they will put the really cheapest items right down the very bottom, hoping that you don't see them and you don't buy them, hoping that you buy whatever is at eye level, which is usually the products they make the most profit on and are the ones that are more expensive. So, yeah, in fact I was in Morrisons again today, and I went in for 2 things, came out with 3, but yeah, and I walked up and down every aisle looking at all the bottoms of the shelves. Yeah, worth doing, and they're very good. They are very good for £1.20, and I'll definitely try the milk chocolate ones at some point. Okay, and the chocolate. Tony's Chocolonely. Together we'll end exploitation in cocoa. That's their big thing, isn't it? Fair trade. Fair trade cocoa and sugar. Crazy about chocolate, serious about people. It's all very very laudable and all that, but what does the chocolate taste like? Oh, this is impressing me already. Look. You open it up and inside it says, this isn't just a chocolate bar, this is impact. And it gives you loads of information. Yeah, you have to buy one and read it all. Or, there you go, pause that and you can read it if you want to. If it focused. Right, let's have a look. Have you noticed I've managed to open all of these without the use of my scissors? And I've actually got the scissors here because I thought I'm bound to need them for something. Oh, it's one of those bars. Let's unwrap the whole thing. Right, look. It's all abstract, uneven, and that messes with my head. I don't like that. No, it's just wrong. If I'm having some chocolate, I like to have, 1 line of chocolate or 2 lines of chocolate, you know what I mean? But, how do I break it? And I'm not just going to bite it like that, because that would be really wrong. Right, I've just broken a random piece off. Here we go. It's extremely good chocolate, but there's an awful lot of salt in that. It's a really interesting combination of flavours. So you've got the chocolate, you've got the caramel, obviously both of which are extremely sweet. Then you've got this real punch of sea salt. And it is a punch as well. That's too much for me. I mean, having said that, I will still eat it all. But this particular bar, I wouldn't buy again. If you like a really salted caramel, you'll love it. But as I said, it's just not my thing. When I first saw it, I just immediately thought it was going to be chocolate orange because it's orange, isn't it? And I was quite pleasantly surprised to find it wasn't. So I don't like anything orange chocolate. But, yeah, this was the only one they had on clearance. And I did check again today when I was in there and they didn't have any more on clearance. But I'll keep an eye on it. Because if any others crop up, then I might give them a go, you know. It's a shame because you're saying you can tell that it's really good chocolate. But for me, for my personal taste, it's ruined by the salt. You might love it. I don't know. Okay. Hope you've enjoyed that one. 21 minutes. I can't believe I've been talking about food and eating food for 21 minutes. So if you're still there, I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Do you like this sort of video where I do several different things in a video? Or do you find it too much? Do you think this video is too long? Or do you like the longer videos? Give me some feedback, please. Down here, in the usual place. And, yeah, it'd be interesting to see what you say. So, thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video, which probably won't be quite as long as this one. Right. I've got to go and hang my washing up. My washing up now. That's the washing machine has finished, so I've got to go and do that. And then, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to defrost my freezer. There, I've said it. It's on film. I've recorded me saying it. So I've got to do it now, haven't I? I keep putting it off. But I've got to do it now, haven't I? I don't want to. There's so much ice in it. Anyway, I'll go. I'm just I'm just stalling for time now. You realise that, don't you? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.